In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize website speed on Hostinger step by step. If your website loads slowly, visitors leave quickly, your SEO rankings drop, and conversions can suffer. The good news is that Hostinger actually provides several built-in tools that can dramatically improve your website speed, and most people don't even realize they're available. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly what to enable inside your Hostinger dashboard so your site loads faster and performs better. These are simple optimizations that take just a few minutes but can make a huge difference in performance. If you find this video helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in and start optimizing your website speed on Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your hosting dashboard. Once you're inside the main panel, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites and you'll see a list of all the sites connected to your hosting account. Find the website you want to optimize and click on Dashboard. This opens the management area for that specific website, where you can control performance settings, domains, files, and other hosting tools. Many speed improvements on Hostinger are managed directly from this dashboard, so this is where we'll enable the most important features. After the dashboard loads, take a moment to locate the Performance section in the menu. This is where Hostinger groups together several tools designed specifically to make your website faster and more efficient. The first optimization you should enable is the CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, and it helps your website load faster for visitors around the world. Instead of loading files from a single server location, a CDN distributes your website's static content across multiple servers globally. When someone visits your site, the content is delivered from the server closest to them, which significantly reduces loading time. To enable this in Hostinger, go to Performance and then click on CDN. You'll see an option to activate the Hostinger CDN. Turn this feature on and follow the simple activation prompts if required. Once enabled, your site's images, scripts, and other static files will be delivered much faster, especially for international visitors. This is one of the easiest and most effective speed optimizations you can apply. Next, let's update your PHP version. Running the latest stable PHP version can noticeably improve website performance and security. Inside your Hostinger website dashboard, go to Advanced and then click on PHP configuration. Here you'll see the PHP version your website is currently using. If your site is running an older version, you should switch to the latest supported version recommended by Hostinger. Newer PHP versions process requests more efficiently, which means your pages load faster and your server uses fewer resources. Simply select the latest version available and apply the changes. Most modern WordPress sites and web applications work perfectly with newer PHP versions, but if you're unsure, you can always test your site after updating to confirm everything works correctly. Another very important factor that affects website speed is image optimization. Large, uncompressed images are one of the most common reasons websites load slowly. Before uploading images to your website, make sure they are properly compressed and resized. You can use tools like TinyPNG, image compressors, or built-in optimization plugins if you're using WordPress. The goal is to reduce the file size of images without noticeably reducing their quality. Smaller image files load much faster and reduce the amount of data your visitors need to download when opening your pages. Also, try to upload images at the correct dimensions, instead of uploading huge images and scaling them down on the page. So to quickly recap, log into your Hostinger dashboard, open your website dashboard, enable the CDN under the Performance section, update your PHP version under Advanced PHP configuration, and always compress and optimize your images before uploading them to your website. These simple steps can dramatically improve your website speed and provide a better experience for your visitors. If this video helped you optimize your website speed on Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more website tutorials, hosting guides, and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.